Break ID number 1808. 2017 Certified Football 1-box break. Here's the alphabetical list. Ken, Kevin, and Ralph. Go. Well, they would get the $100 bounty on any night that we're having one-of-one bounty. Yeah, even if it's a personal. Sometimes we do one-of-one bounties on individual breaks, and so that would not usually qualify, but any night like this, yes. Ken N.E. with a free spot. Select Basketball is getting down there. That's the only one left. It is brand new last week. Buy one, get one free. Michael Thomas, Jumbo Jersey Auto. 52 of 99. Saints. Ken N.E. Redemption. Freshman Fabric Mirror Signatures, Taywan Taylor. Tennessee. Ken N.E. Fournette Gold Team Rookie. Fournette. New Generation's Rookie Jersey. Oh, that's not Fournette. McCaffrey, cheapers. Carolina. Ken N.E. Did I say McCaffrey? Fournette was right before that. I must be losing it. Jamie Collins to 50. Last pack. Yeah, they look alike. Not bad. Deshaun Watson, mirror blue parallel jersey to 50. Houston, Ralph, K.I. I like that one. All right.